name is Arvind Patel from Valgro India Limited. We are participating in IMTEX 2026. At IMTEX, we displayed Valgro EZ24 entry level model, which is very much suitable after laser cutting and press punching applications. This machine is suitable for aluminum, stainless steel, copper, and other alloy metal parts. This technology having the conveyor system and available with from 1 mm to 75 mm thickness, you can do as a deburring as well as finishing. I will show you the what technology we are implemented and what precisionness we provide in entry level model. This is very much important. This machine is cost saving, space saving, and money saver. Now I would like to introduce Valgro DEB36 series, which is suitable for aerospace and precision engineering sheet metal processing industries. This machine having the technology of belt and conveyor belt system with the brushing system. This brush is rotating with the high RPM as well as oscillation system, give you the deburring and edge rounding in perfect precision space. This machine give you the wonderful finish in one operation only. Before this finish is like this, and there is lot of bar are there, and it will give the superficial finishing. So Valgro RBM series machine is newly advanced technology high-end machine launched at IMTEX 2026. We are getting good response in the IMTEX 2026. Then I will show you the another small machine which can be useful for small workshop who cannot afford the high-end machine. That machine I will explain again. Valgro ATM series machine. This machine is manual application component hold by vacuum system, and it will rotate like this. Depend upon the abrasive consumable, customer get the result. Apart from ATM 150 machines, we recently innovate very precision 0.2 mm thickness part deburring as well as finishing machine. This machine name is Hybrid EZ06. The technology is build system. You can see how precise this machine we produce. The component conveyor in this system, there is magnet bed, so small part also you can do. Apart from this chamfering machine for thick part, up to 2 mm to 4 mm, you can do chamfer on the after sheet metal cutting. Again, VBS 11. This machine is very much suitable for small factory who cannot afford the high-end machines. So this is very tiny, space-saving machine and professionally designed with accuracy and precisionness. So this machine is also suitable for any flat part deburring as well as sanding operation. This machine is really wonderful machine for any profile after cutting of the profile or pipe, deburring as well as edge rounding. So the edge will be bar-free surface. The working philosophy is this clamping system, component clamp by the pneumatic cylinder, and this travel head rotate to and fro, and the brush head is up and down, and you will get the perfect result. In IMTEX, VBS 24 machine is purpose serving machine. If you want just sanding operation, then this machine is very much suitable and hot cut machines. This technology is available with the two abrasive belt, and you will get same finish which is high-end machine. So this machine is also suitable for flat part for purpose serving application. Tier 3, Tier 4 companies select these machines. This machine having the technology is tube is not rotating, just tube is transfer from one end to other end, and the abrasive belt head is rotational on the entire surface of the tube, and customer get the perfect result. So you can check how the finish you will get. So in this IMTEX, we are displaying all innovations. We have 31 solution for deburring, finishing, edge rounding, slag removal. So whatever surface preparation issues, just one name recall, Valgro. Valgro India Limited always help to our customer for their increased productivity, reduce rejection, rework, and delay the production. Today we have one of the good customer. He is Mr. Dinesh Kumar from Bangalore. He brought our machine in 2019.
My name is Dinesh Kumar, Sri Mahalakshmi Enterprises, Coimbatore. We bought a machine in 2019 from Valgro Izer. The machine was very nice and there is zero complaint till yet, and service support is very good. And Arvind Patel is a very good guy, and he visited our office and gave us good suggestions for the development of the company. Thank you.